Hi, Manic Ben from Manic Merchandise here, just with one of our suppliers, Martin from MOR. So we just thought we'd do and introduce the supplier feature. Martin, thanks a lot for coming along today. What I wanted to ask you was, from 2022, what are you looking forward to? What's your kind of hopes for this year?
I think this year, 2022, there's going to be a lot more emphasis on eco products, UK-made eco products as well, and also products which are more bespoke and will fit in more with the client's marketing needs for this year.
I think that's a pretty good sum up of what the trends that we're starting to see with our clients. So on that, and that's quite a nice segue into it, you've got a brand new product for us, so show us what your brand new product is.
Yeah, so this is it's an A5 notebook. It's UK manufactured, and the covering material is made from post-consumer recycled waste. It's full colour print, and all the inks that we use are vegetable based, so it ticks all the boxes for a 100% recyclable notebook.
Fabulous. I absolutely love it. I'll be honest with you, we've seen it today and really like it, so look forward to it. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you again next time.
Thanks, guys.